Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can clear app cache on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So in order to clear app cache, you'll have to offload the application on your iPhone. So first of all, you can simply open the settings application and then tap on general. So after doing that, here you can get the option of iPhone storage, tap on it. And then if you scroll down here, you'll get all of the applications that is currently on your iPhone. So in here, if I want my Instagram to be clear cache off, I can simply tap on it and then tap on offload app. So if you go back and if you can't find the application you want to clear the cache of and scroll down, you can see the option of show all, tap on it. And then from here, you can now find all of the applications that is on your phone. So I'm going to go back to Instagram, just like this, tap on it, and then tap on offload app. Then tap on offload app one more time. Here you can see we have successfully offloaded the application. So in here you can see the option of reinstall app, tap on it, and then you have to reinstall the application one more time. Wait for a few minutes, and after a few minutes you'll be able to successfully reinstall Instagram application, and like that you'll be able to clear cache app on your iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.